Question number 1. Who is the first woman to become the chairperson of the Indian Railway Board? Correct option C. Jaya Verma Sena. Question number 2. Which is the largest railway zone in India by size? Correct option A. Northern Railway. Question number 3. What is the total number of zone in India Railway? The correct option C. 18. Question number 4. Where is the headquarters of the South Central Railway located? The correct option C. Secunderabad. Question number 5. What is the gauge size of the broad gauge railways in India? The correct option is option B. 1.676 meter. Question number 6. When was the first electronic train introduced in India? The correct option is option A. 1925. Question number 7. Which train is known as the Train of Unity? The correct option is option C. Samjhauta Express. Question number 8. Which of the following is the fastest train in India? The correct option is option B. Vande Bharat Express. Question number 9. Where is the India Railway Institute of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering located? The correct option is option B. Jamalpur. Question number 10. Which railway zone is the oldest in India? The correct option is option B. Southern Railway. Question number 11. Which of these trains has the longest route in India? The correct option is option A. Vivek Express. Question number 12. What is the maximum speed of the Vande Bharat Express? Correct option is option B. 160 km per hour. Question number 13. Which organization manages the ticketing system of the Indian Railway? The correct option is option B. IRCTC. Question number 14. Which train is referred to as the Palace on Wheel? The correct option is option C. Palace and Wheel. Question number 15. Which station has the most railway tracks in India? The correct option is option D. Matra Junction. Question 16. Which state in India does not have a railway track? The correct option is option A. Sikkim. Question 17. How many fare the wheel does a standard India Railway passenger coach have? The correct option is option B 4. Question 18. Which year did India Railway start the unreserved tracking systems mobile app? The correct option is option B 2016. Question 19. Which city has the headquarters of India Railway? The correct option is option C New Delhi. Question 20. Which railway station has been renamed as a Prayagraj Junction? Correct option is option A Allahabad Junction. Question 21. What is the total length of the Indian Railway network? Correct option B 67,956 km. Question 22. Which zone of India Railway generate the highest revenues? The correct option is option A Northern Railway. Question 23. The first computer-based reservation systems was introduced in which year? The correct option is option B 1986. Question 24. Which express train run between India and Bangladesh? The correct option is option A Maitri Express. Question 25. Which is the longest railway tunnel in India? The correct option is option A Fire Punjab Tunnel. Question 26. What is the maximum permissible speed of the India Railway freight train? The correct option is option B 75 km per hour. Question 27. Which city is home to the first elevated railway line in India? The correct option is option D Chennai. Question 28. How many classes of travel are there in India Railway? The correct option is option C 8. Question 29. Which express train connect Jammu and Kanyakumari? Correct option is option B Hemsagar Express. Question 30. In which year was the first railway budget of India presented? The correct option is option C 1930. Question 31. Which is the only railway stations in India located on the India-Pakistan border? Correct option is option A Atari. Question 32. Which India railway train is nicknamed the King of Speed? Correct option is option C Gateman Express. Question 33. Which is the oldest working locomotive in India? Correct option is option A, a fairy queen. Question 34. What is the name of the project launched by the India Railway to save energy? Correct option is option A, mission electrification. Question 35. The station is known as the cleanest railway stations in India. Correct option is option C, Jaipur. Question 36. Which year was the Realtel Corporation of India established? Correct option is option A, 2000. Question 37. Which train service connect Kolkata and Dhaka? Correct option is option B, Metri Express. Question 38. Which railway station has the highest elevation in India? Correct option is option A, Lam railway station. Question 39. What is the code of the New Delhi railway station? Correct option B, NDL. Question 40. Which express trains in India is known for its world-class luxury service? The correct option is option D, all of the above.